khona ke kamanzini Emaswati lamahle lapho khona atheke Emaswati noma kunjani ema comrades noma sesingafika singu4 kepha nasifikile sayoke kuthulana lesikufunako khona ke ePolice Head Quarters kamanzini lapho sikhona ema comrades solo ke mane aphikelele ukuthi agcina afike ayawuveta ke khona lokuqonzana netikhalo tabo iSwaziland Democratic News ninaye ke situfuza ke country sikamanzini lapho sikhona Solomana ke bayashuqa bathi sifuna ke kugcina sihamba siyawufika lapho kuyawuthula khona ke yona ke ipetition Sikhona khona kamanzini Head Quarters lapho sikhona
Amanda. Long live to the spirit of Amos Mpeti, long live. Long live to the spirit of Amos Mpeti, long live. Long live to the spirit of Tabangomonye, long live. Amanda. Passing Emaswati, passing. Passing Emaswati, passing. Passing Babulali, passing. Amanda. Comrades, usho sibhlungu, sitsabukile, sidutshuliwe, basihumiliate njengoma, basihumiliatile. But comrades, our mandate is clear. Silethe i-petition, comrades. Comrades, this is the petition lesilethile. Le rejected the fake findings anonhlanhla. The same government that killed Tabanengomonye. Sitholile ke ukuthi lama findings kuthiwa Tabanengomonye wafa nge-accident. We know for a fact ukuthi Tabanengomonye wabulawa amaphoyisa. And siyathi comrades ukuthi kube bekufestalo ngoma kube bekufesikhanyiso ngoma kube bekufela indane. Ngabe comrades kunebami labasuspendwa ngoma ngakune bamfuna abaphelelwa ngumsebenzi. Ngalokuthi comrades kufe inja kibo. Ngiko kwenteka kanjena comrades. Comrades lesiqalile thina sidakuphetha comrades. Ngoma ipetition bengingayiletha ngethwa ngoma ilethwe bami labang3 ngisaphefumula letinyawo disekhona comrades. Ipetition beyitawugcina ifikile comrades. Ngayifunza the petition comrades niyive nonke ngoma asisebenzi emakoneni sisebenzela ebaleni but ingakayifunzi comrades. I recommend you and I salute you. Kuthi despite comrades lobuhlungu lesihambe kibo lamuhla, we were brave enough kuthi sigcine sifikile comrades kuna public building nayi comrades lebhadalwa ngemthelo weMaswati comrades. Amanda. Comrades, this petition is directed to the Regional Commissioner, Lagamanzini Regional Police Head Quarters. It comes from the Student Union, SNAS, the Swaziland Union of Students. Ipaloge mhlaka 13 May 2022 comrades. Is subject to comrades ithi Tabanye inquest report. Ifunzeka kanjena ke comrades. We, comrades, as the Student Union of Swaziland, we, the students of Swaziland, from the various tertiary institutions organized under the only student union in the country, the Swaziland National Union of Students, NAS, presented these demands to your office and department. Students are therefore tabling these urgent demands before your department. Demand number 1. We rejected the Tabanengomonye inquest report. Number 2, we demand an independent investigation by an independent body or person into the death of Comrade Tabanengomonye and all other comrades who died under the hands of the police. Comrades, Lolo, comrade, please. Demand number 3, the police should desist from shooting at unarmed students who only seek to get justice for a fellow students and other Swazi citizens. The resolution, as the student of this ill-governed country, Amanda. As the student of ill-governed country from our respective tertiary institution have since resolved that failure by your department to adhere to the above demands will leave us no choice but to use any other means necessary to ensure that the death of Tabanengomonye and all other Swazis in the hands of the police is not in vain. Amandla, comrades, sawenda kanjena ke lamuhla la regional headquarters singakayideliver petition sitawunika weqala president wephiko lolusha la kangwane lophindze abe ngu political commissar kule hlangano yebafundzi comrade Sakhile Awuviva to address. After asa addressing comrade Awuviva Nxumalo, the president of Putemo Mlungisi Makhaya is here with us, will address emva kwaloko bese sesendisha over the petition. Comrade Awuviva.
Yeah.
Mandla awunoma sebonzema emhlabeni
Sihlukunyezwa kabuhlungu Nkosi sipha amandla okunqoba sile nalo
Pansi ngatsinzibala pansi. Pansi. Pansi elibunile ngitsinzibala pansi. Pansi. Pansi ngaCommissioner longelangcondo pansi. Pansi. Pansi ngaRegional Commissioner pansi. Pansi. Pansi ngemaphoyisa labulala Thabani Nkomonye pansi. Pansi. Akaboshwe amaphoyisa labulala Thabani Nkomonye akaboshwe. Akaboshwe. Pansi ngeliphoyisa lelamnikiswa esimunye ngencathi bule Thabani phansi. Pansi. Thank you very much to the President of the Eswatini National Union of Students. Comrades, wethu lesikuthele le maqabane. Sinhlangano yelusha lepudemo iswayokho. Sithi asikuvethe comrades ukuthi lo mgcilati lesinayo emaconservative eDlamini. Lo uke wathi ngalelinye ilanga khuluma wathi akukhanywane comrades. Akathi nje into beyinye comrades ukuthi lamaswati lafako lawa laqhubeka abulawe ngemaphoyisa ngebudlabha nangebusanza kudlala ngemthelo webantu ngoba comrades ifuna sathi kusilethi ibhamu letsetshenziswa ngemaphoyisa umthelo wethu comrades lawa ama comrades kude iproduction labayenda ngephandle producer iservice kuphela then funa kwathi ke comrades ukuthi bona lamaphoyisa niwabonako lawa. It is through our sacrifice lesisebenzako lesichicita kakhulu umnotho kuze ahole wona lamaphoyisa niwabonako. Phansi ngemaphoyisa lasibulala ngethi ibhamu temthelo wethu phansi. Phansi. Phansi ngethi maphoyisa lasibulala ngethi ibhamu temthelo wethu phansi. Phansi. Asikwathini ke comrades kokuthi asinawuqhubeka comrades ukuthi kube ngithi lesitawuluza imiphefumulo. Akunawulunga ukuthi siqhubeke kube ngithi lesiluza impilo. Akunawuqhubeka comrades kube ngithi lesitawuba netichwala. Akunawuqhubeka comrades kube ngithi lesingakhona kulala kushiswa tindlu tethu shiswa amaphoyisa. Phansi ngemaphoyisa lashisa tindlu tebantu labalola idemocracy phansi. Phansi. Phansi ngemaphoyisa lashisa indlu tebantu phansi. Phansi. Bandla. Awethu. Kusho ke comrades ku-Regional Commissioner sinhlangano yelusha ukuthi le report lena lephumile akaboshwe lamaphoyisa. Lamaphoyisa latsinzekako kulokubulala Thabani Nkomonye akaboshwe. Lamanye awo siyawathi comrades. Asuke lapha postini yakaManzini etala asuswa lana sesimunye lamanye awo. Siyawathi comrades but asifuni kube ngithi lesitatilwena ngoba siyawethemba ukuthi kumbe lamaphoyisa atakwendelela ngaphili. But lesikwathi comrades ukuthi vele lamaphoyisa akhona la wembube akanasisita thine lefuna sikwene comrades kunye ukuthi uhulumende wamSwati sende ngatotonke indlela ukuthi siyamchitha ngoba saqhubeka sahlala kulo hulumende wetingundla kude lesitaqthola kude lempumelelo lesitaba nayo na ungababona nje lana bafile indlala yonke lemina lamtha bagijimisana nathi kanabo basekhathi lenzaba ukuthi nasithi sisebenza dusele maholo bathembethina kuze thina sizabalazele bona kodwa lamhla kujika bona bashaye thina bashaye lethi sizabalazana nabo phansi ngemaphoyisa phansi. Siyabonga comrades before ukuthi comrade President Mlungisi Makhanya bengicela nje just 2 minutes siphe the national organizing secretary North Communist Party of Swaziland CPS and a former Secretary General of SNAS comrade Simbra.
Mandla. Mandla. Viva the Communist Party of Swaziland, viva. Viva. Viva the Communist Party of Swaziland, viva. Viva. Viva Tukoswa, viva. Viva. Viva Putemo, viva. Viva. Viva EFF Swaziland, viva. Viva. Swalimo, viva. Viva. Swayoko, viva. Viva. NNLC, viva. Viva Swatepa, viva. Sipilele Thabani, sipilele. Viva to the untamed spirit of comrade Thabani, forward. Forward to the untamed spirit of comrade Thabani, forward. Phansi ngemaphoyisa labulala Emaswati phansi. Phansi ngamswati phansi. Rani Mswati run. Magayive pressure Mswati magayive. Magayive pressure Mswati magayive. Forward to petrol pump, forward. Forward to petrol pump, forward. Thank you very much, comrades, President of the Swaziland National Union of Students. Comrades, inhlangano emakomanisi sakusho mhla ka-17 May last year. Kwekuthi lamaphoyisa lawa comrades ngemaphoyisa embube. ngaloko ke kude lekade sisita ngako comrade kunye kuphela lokusetandleni tethu singemaswati kwekuthi si-overthrowe lo mbuso losibusa kungani comrade because lo mbuso lo ending just because comrade kufuna sihlale sathi kwekuthi lo hulumende lokhona akekho transparency. That's why comrade it is our duty comrade to go back to our communities and mobilize more people. It is our duty as a student. We are the members of the community before we are students, to go back to our communities and mobilize more people. Because comrade lokutawusisita kule ngakanyaka lesibhekene ngayo kwekuthi onke eMaswati asukume alisane nalo hulumende lokho. Comrade sifuna kunitshela info ibe yini kwekuthi it is only an armed insurrection that will free us from this system yetingundla comrade. Sifuna kutshela nalabo comrade lebafuna kuprotecta lo mbuso lo kwekuthi umbuso wamSwati in a new democratic Swaziland ude inzaba singemakomanisi sibitela a republic Swaziland because mSwati have got no role to play in a new democratic Swaziland. Yenye kuphela info leyenziwa ngumSwati is to suck our economy. Likatane lo mbuso lokhona. We can't comrade allow the Dlamini family, which is the minority, to continue oppressing us as the majority. It is our duty comrade. Sifuna kukubeka kube sobala ukuthi akukhona munye lo yawuqhamuka engcenye ethi atawusilwela singeMaswati. Kepha inkululeko yethu singeMaswati ilatandleni tethu comrade. Comrade, we want to say one thing comrade. Ngokwekuthi kas understanding kahle. Ngokwekuthi comrade lo mbuso lokhona lo comrade ufuna kwekuthi sihlangane. But our unity comrade, it should be unity comrade. Let's tawubuka kwekuthi we are fighting for the interests of the people. As sishito comrade kuthi ngithi kanye lesikhicita lo mnotho. Laba bosicalo lebagijima ngawo ngetindisi. Laba bomajaha lebagijima ngawo baye ngawo ku Taiwan. Ngumthelo wethu lona comrade. And as the working class, sithi lo mthelo wethu aka class, there is only one solution. Masikhuluma nge-freedom, sikhuluma ngani maqabane? Sikhuluma nge-unban of political parties in this country, so that we can have freedom of association, so that we can have freedom of speech, so that we can have a freedom of assembly. Uma sikhuluma nge-freedom, sikhuluma ngani comrade? Sikhuluma nge-release of all political prisoners. Uma sikhuluma nge-freedom, sikhuluma ngani comrade? Sikhuluma nge-safe return of all exile to come back in this country comrade. It is our duty comrade. Kwekuthi singaqali simislead eMaswati akathi kahle kwekuthi kwekuqala comrade is to achieve freedom, and freedom will usher us to democracy, and democracy will usher us to socialism. Maqabane asadinga kwekuthi nalelo likhaya sesikhathi kwekuthi saleli surrender umuntu lotaba ku front line in our liberation. Siyawabona ema-forces comrade angena kuma-communities and anjani asiraider comrade, and uma kafika kuma-communities they are targeting certain families. Why so comrade? It is because those families kune bantu laba front line kan ebe sonke ku community ngilelo nalelo likhaya line muntu lo front line. Once kwaba nalelo likhaya kwaba nemvlo front line comrade, we will know very well kwekuthi ngilamahlathi lamnyama lesikhuluma ngawo. Uma sithi comrade sesiphelile isikhathi semaphoyisa in our communities, asisho kudala comrade. It is our duty comrades to go back in our communities and form community councils. Those community councils ngiwo kanye lekatawunaka kwekuthi singeMaswati siphephile yini comrade in our communities. Sesifikile isikhathi sekwekuthi siqale sihlangane. The dialogue lesikhuluma ngayo, i-dialogue it should be among the oppressed people. Bantu kuma communities abaqale bahlangane bakhulume ngekuthi bathatha iphatha kanjani, bathatha ibusa kanjani. There is only one democracy. Let democracy lesikhuluma ngayo sikhuluma nge-full participation of all the masses of Swaziland. Comrade, it is our duty comrade to go back in our communities and conscientize the people so that we fight for this noble cause comrade. We are not afraid of that comrade. We are not afraid of anything comrade. We have taken upon us, but we're going to comrade, it is us, this generation of today, that is the last generation to be oppressed. Uma sithi comrade, you are the last generation to be oppressed. Ufuna sathi kahle comrade, kwekuthi sasifikile isikhathi, kwekuthi sale siqala senda i-action kwekuthi sithi silusha lokugcina kwekuthini sihlukubethwe ngilomndeni lokho. Amandla the Communist Party of Swaziland, viva! Viva! Singamakhosetive phansi.
Comrade President,
please.
Viva CPS, viva! Viva! Viva Swatepa, viva! Viva! Viva Swalimo, viva! Viva! Viva NNLC, viva! Viva! Viva NNLC, viva! Viva! Viva EFF Swaziland, viva! Viva! Viva Swayoko, viva! Viva! Viva Putemo, viva! Viva! Manda! Comrades, Comrade President, the leadership yonke yesinas. Ngifuna ukuthi comrades Mpiwe Losukala has said everything that needs to be said about what is the content of our structure. Nasingabamba le line level khazwa comrades Mpiwe la. It will never be difficult to forge unit. Ngoba kulula comrades ukuthi sibe united nasathi ukuthi sifuna. Comrade Maseko, as we were standing here, I was watching the workers of our country looking with great hope at this assembly. Ukuthi nangabe inkululeko itawufika so that we can bring dignity to those workers. You are the generation that must bring dignity. Comrades, asigeti lakto thule petition emaphoyiseni. We do not have police in this country. What the royal aristocracy has done, it has turned those who are cooptable amongst the poor into armed-bodied men. with no conscience, who will be able to do anything and everything for a penny. You cease to be human when all you live for is money. These are police officers who did not only kill Taban Ngomonye. We are here not about Taban Ngomonye, the fourth-year student, we are here for the number of Swazis who get tortured by these armed-bodied men of royal aristocracy whenever they do something called investigation. They put no effort in collecting anything called evidence. They rely on brutalizing ordinary Swazis to extract information. We need to know, comrades, this struggle that's engaged is a struggle against one family that turned Livel Aboba Bemkulu into literally a family farm and found willing men and women that they can arm, who can refuse a mere request marcher from Smart Center to here. A mere request by Swazis who want to peacefully march a less than 2-kilometer radius. To be a human being and to be human is a higher calling. The moment you get recruited, ufundziswa ukuthi na uphenya umsolwa uyamethuka. Lekinto lefundziswa lapha emakolleji lapha. Now ufuna abantu labathi tinhlamba, you don't have to look further. These are the armed-bodied men, who most of them come from the poorest of the poor, who have fallen for a trap. Telling them that you would never be anything if it not because of this royal aristocracy. Comrades, I want you to know there is a big world out there. Mswati is nothing. There is a big world there that you, as the children of Emaswati, the world is waiting for you to conquer and thrive. Mswati has turned this country, which had a robust economy, into a graveyard of entrepreneurship. You will never be anything. You are forced to go to university. Upume, the best you can ever be is to be a school teacher, Nayelo on contract. Because he knows he has recruited armed-bodied men and armed them, who will do anything. The mistake they did when they killed Tabani, they thought they were killing just an individual.
Yes.
Tabani has turned to be a spirit. Tabani represents the souls of many Swazis who have died at the hands of these people. When we say, comrades, that you must never be scared of anything, you must look at Labahol, who had to forego everything, but that had everything going right in his life. But a man of conscience has a higher calling in life. Imali and materialism does not defend a man who has found a purpose in Bangmund. So, comrades, so that you understand why you had to spend an entire day just to deliver a petition. Because this man has found willing children of the poor, that he has turned them into armed-bodied men who will be shooting tear gas at you, who will be throwing stun grenades, just to deny you a simple right to go and present a piece of paper. But I want to assure you, comrades and trainers, freedom is coming in our shores. Freedom is coming in our shores. And when freedom comes, even these oppressed, armed-bodied men will be free. Labanye babo bati fihlenge makepisi bati fihlenge makoba
Ama comrade. Ama comrade.
Their conscience is tickling them to say, is prolonging the suffering of the children of the poor. We are proud of you, leadership. We are proud of you, SNAS. The entire day you have been fighting this battle. We set ourselves a goal which will come here and deliver this petition. No man have been president. It would have constituted victory. This is victory for the revolution. Every time we set ourselves a goal, we must pursue that goal with every ounce of energy in our soul until victory is certain. Amandla! Amandla! Awuwe umbuso wamswati awuwe! Awuwe umbuso wamdeni awuwe! Awuwe umbuso wetingundla awuwe!
Amandla! Amandla! Long live to the undying spirit of Amos Mbeki, long live! Long live! Long live to Amos Mbeki, long live! Long live! Long live to Amos Mbeki, long live! Long live! Comrades, ngihlala ngitshela ukuthi kube Amos Mbeki washaya itarget ngabasikho la. Amos Mbeki amandla! Amandla to Amos Mbeki amandla! Amandla to Amos Mbeki amandla! Comrades, nayi le petition comrades sawucela originally ayisayine comrades kube khona emavila washoko comrades bese uyifaka envelope comrades sitawubuya comrades sitayilanza imbenvulo sitawuphinda simemetele comrades ukuthi imbenvulo siyilanza nini comrades sivile ukuthi ngelisonto sewakha iprogram ukuthi comrades iprogram of action iqhube kanjani abakaphumbo baqede namthandeni comrades. Therefore akukamele kube smooth laveni comrades. This country comrades will never be the same again as long as the democracy kude comrades. Amandla awethu amandla silali
Tio mama tio mama tio hey when I'm Swati I'm not good hey when I'm Swati I'm not good hey when I'm boy I'm not good hey when I'm boy I'm not good Society's kitchen Society's kitchen
Amandla comrades sesibanikile petition asasive ke comrades ukuthi bathini comrades. Tulan high discipline comrades.
Asibonge lo sisele nkulumo le sitayithatha sivete kulabafanele labatayibuketa bese kumbe kuba khona labakusho. Siyabonga. Kumbe
leadership. Hayi.
Uqina ubona ngani sibakhona?
Kanti sikhona ke regional headquarters kaManzini lapho khona ke ema-comrades bekatawuletha yona i-petition kuhambe kahle kakhulu njengoba ke i-petition igcine ifikile ke khona etandleni temaphoyisa kanti besinilethela bukhoma sikhona siyi-Swaziland Democratic News police headquarters kaManzini ngustufuza we-country benihlethi naye nginasicelo lakhile mhlanga kaManzini.